Most people get this wrong when they think Blackout Bingo isn't paying. They immediately assume something is broken, that they've been scammed, or that their money is gone forever. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, payout delays happen because of account verification issues, withdrawal requirements, processing times, or simple mistakes that can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the most common reasons Blackout Bingo payouts may be delayed in 2026 and the steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you should do is check the status of your withdrawal request. Many users submit a cash-out request and expect the funds to arrive instantly. However, payment processing can take time depending on the withdrawal method, account review requirements, and platform procedures. This is where most people fail. They don't check whether the withdrawal is still pending. If your request shows as pending, the platform may still be processing it. In many situations, waiting for the review process to finish is the correct next step. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A large percentage of payout issues are actually account verification problems. For example, Jake submits a withdrawal request, but hasn't completed all required account verification steps. The platform pauses processing until the missing information is provided. Alex verifies everything in advance and avoids the delay completely. That's a simple win many users overlook. But here's the problem. Some players confuse promotional credits, bonuses, and cash balances. Not every balance inside the app may be eligible for withdrawal. Before requesting a payout, review the app's withdrawal rules and make sure the funds you're trying to withdraw qualify under the platform's current terms. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest fix that solves many payout issues. Before that, make sure your payment information is accurate. Incorrect account details, outdated payment methods, or data entry mistakes can prevent successful transactions. Now here's the easiest fix. Contact customer support if you've verified your account, confirmed your payment details, met all withdrawal requirements, and waited through the stated processing period. When contacting support, provide clear information about your account and withdrawal request so the team can investigate more efficiently. This small step often speeds up the resolution process. Let's quickly recap. Check whether your withdrawal is still pending. Verify your account information. Review withdrawal eligibility requirements. Confirm your payment details are correct. Allow enough time for processing. And contact support if the issue continues. Following these steps can help you identify the most common causes of payout delays and move toward a solution. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more app troubleshooting tutorials and honest reviews, and let me know in the comments what issue you're experiencing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.